Let's see if I can get this thing done here. Oi, oi, oi. In this cupboard, no space. Hey, my neck, my back, everything. I think I'm going to take out this whole thing and I need to make sure everything is clean and in order. Right. And if you can see down inside there, a lot of stuff. Gosh, you got stuff. Wow. Wow. No wonder it wasn't working too. Chipping off the sensor, everything. Hold on. I'm looking at the flow sensor. I mustn't do nothing shortcut. Open up, check everything, as you know better. Do a shortcut. Take a bit of extra time, and whatever you're doing, and do it right. If you don't know, get somebody professional to help you, or to do it for you. Very too much shortcut, too much halfway thing, not educating yourself at all. Yeah, all good. That thread seal already, so I'm putting much thread seal on it. So a little wood what on it, because a PVC female, and I think I'll put some thread seal. Oh, this finished by. Really squeeze out the rest. Relaxing. We want all, because we pay for all. Right? Not need much. Now, if while we putting it up, the female adapter crack, all in the business. Sometimes it breaks if I'm taking down this thing, because, boy, yeah, I know them things will get trouble. Yeah, for sure. So it breaks, I'm taking it down. And that is be your downfall. I'm not doing the right thing. Until you change your fitting, then you turn your back and something go low. Client wants, you want to know that you do the right way, you know. Yeah, them don't want to know that, yes. They want to know that. So, okay, you down here. Them don't want to know that you didn't do the right thing. Because you didn't want to do it because that might have break. That's some things you don't touch too, eh? Yeah, some things you don't touch. Touch that and boy, fire.
There's been way too much excitement down here for the last few days, okay? And you don't tell me you're coming or anything, you just turn out, you know. So you're scrambling with the cars, you know.
Yeah, you remember they don't really schedule things
Yeah.
the way we will schedule it. So sometimes they just pop in
Yeah.
because they have the man on board
Yes.
or on the material.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And there's so many lines there now.
There are so many lines to move. They have too much lines that makes no sense on the
Yeah.
on the lamp pole.
Yeah.
Yeah, those lines are not even being used. So if they could get rid of some of those
Yes.
things, it would be,
Tidy it up.
yeah, because one person done did their part,
Right.
put new poles, so you have to come now and clean up your act.
Yeah. And you see how that looks.
Right, so things looking good. And go back in.
So take advantage.
Yeah, see? That is the man, he's the expert. You know what he's doing?
Yes.
I want to know what you're doing inside so long. To change your top.
That was his intention.
Okay.
Taking advantage of the present. Because as I'm here, the kitchen is discombobulated in any event. So
Well, it's best he fix it
yes.
as he like do it one time and done. And
Mhm.
So, it's worked out well.
you will show him where the washing machine, you talk about the washing
You
machine.
know, I'm following that now, you know, John.
No, but just telling you because our washing machine won't be able to fit there. So how you washing your clothes?
I'll take it out.
Oh, laundry, point.
My
Laundry,
friends and
laundry
people,
man.
I don't want to look up across the street. But John, I'm overwhelmed with just taking care of this.
Yeah.
The washing machine will project
Yeah,
next.
next time.
Project next.
Yeah, because
I can't even tell you.
you can't take a machine then.
So that's just put aside for the moment.
Alright, well, Ron, if you need me, you have my number.
Yes, John, I do. And as you pass when I'm looking out the window,
Okay.
I have your number more than 180. Yeah, you know, no TFTGs on the composers. Trying to put too much excitement in those internet. Too much excitement down here for time. The last
Alright, well, if you need me,
I will. Yes.
alright?
But I will need you. Oh,
Like that, later.
Okay, later.
alright, bye. Coming tomorrow or next week?
Most likely Monday.
Okay. Have a good weekend.
Unless I can afford one, you know what to do.
Okay, alright.
I always have to remember to take off electricity, but I not advise nobody to do nothing. To do no work on no heater. I do my video, and the video just shows that I'm working on a heater. I wouldn't advise. I'm not a teacher to really teach. Always call myself a teacher. I'm not a teaching program. If you think you're capable and you can copy what it is I'm doing, well then, you can take the chance and catch in school. Spin up all home. Do what you want. Do what you want, right? Come off here. Come on, nothing touching. Everybody looking good. Top. Tightness. Always remember weight is a slacken. So you tighten back up. Take care of everything. Try not to break nothing. Right. So there's no touch it. Oh, oh, oh. The bleed. Take a lot of air. Air. Wait up. I already checked the power in it, so I got to go with the power. So you can see the blue light. Yeah, the green light blinking is. I mean, it's all powered up. So if I put stretch man up on the faucet, you'll see where the orange light turn on, and of course hot water coming through the line. Hot water flowing. Very hot too. Nice and hot. And if I stop the water from the faucet, you see we go back into the blinking green, meaning standby, current going through and waiting for any activity taking place on the system. And so let me turn it on. There's it on. Amber. I mean it working, heating. If it only change, other than that, or you don't see lights, well you know that it's not functioning. Something working good here. And I even create up to a hotter temperatures yet. So I will do all that after. So this working, let me take off the current again. Check for leaks and close off this area. And then we work forward. 125. I can see this a little more, nothing much, nothing to scorch. So now I'm going to put work on the power. You can see also lighting up. And put on the power on. Light on. Water hotter than what was before. Right. Then working off. Pour on pipe. On. Take it off. On pipe. On. Right. Right, so let's test the water. So we have this equipment here, as I saw in some of the other videos from the early. It's still working. Very pouring. It is a 110. You don't want to go over 130. 115 to 130 is good, but don't go over. You try not to go over 130. So there's it mix. That's good. And there's pure hot. Yeah, 117. Yeah. So 120 does be my point. So I'll put this a little more. Not too hot. Just a little more. Let's see how we're looking now. Mix it. It's hot now. Right here, 120. 121. Once you hear that go off, that's how I have mine set. Not more than 120. If you want to go higher than that, some people like very hot water, 130 max. This is not a laundry shop or something. Okay, so that's it. Over and out.